Good morning. The buzzwords for today: temporary insanity. For academics, law students, brothers and sisters who practice law, temporary insanity is a valid defense plea for acts of crime in United States and I think also in Canada. In a very interesting judgment, Bombay High Court, something similar has taken effect, which comes as a relief to hundreds and thousands, maybe lakhs of people who suffer from depression. In this particular case, something new, a terminology called postpartum depression. Apparently, women after childbirth undergo a peculiar kind of depression, and it is called postpartum depression. And that, in this particular case, led to a lady harming a 3-month-old baby of hers. The Bombay bench, in an outstanding judgment, the Auranga bench of the Bombay High Court, in this outstanding judgment, acquitted this young 25-year-old woman from Osmanabad who attempted to murder her 3-month-old child as she was suffering from postpartum depression. Now, what is postpartum depression is not known to me. It came as a surprise. It will scroll down now. Relevant points related to this particular aspect. Since it is so common, it is equally surprising that not many people are aware what it is. There is a similar kind of depression that affects young ladies who undergo abortion. It's called post-abortion stress. Something similar, slightly different. A research paper has been presented, I think Dr. Priscilla from a university in United States. That research paper will scroll down now. The legal points that need to be taken care of for those who are interested. Section 82. Sorry, section 84. I'll scroll down now. Act of a person of unsound mind. Now, one doesn't have to be mentally ill or, in colloquial terminology, mad or crazy full time to be able to benefit from section 84. Temporary insanity, as in the case of this lady, she is otherwise normal, otherwise okay, no history of mental illness before this episode. Unfortunately, has this kind of a depression seizing her personality and ventures out to do this act of crime. Section 84 applies. Act of a person of unsound mind. I will read this slow so you understand what this is. It may be affecting somebody in your family, somebody in your neighborhood. This will help you put things in perspective. Nothing is an offense which is done by a person who, at the time of doing it, by reason of unsoundness of mind, is incapable of knowing the nature of the act, or that he is doing what is either wrong or contrary to law. Now, the buzzword, the catchphrase here is at the time of doing it. This is where temporary insanity plea comes in. So, a person fully normal otherwise, but at the time of doing that act was not aware that she is breaking any law or was causing a grave harm to the victim. Section 84 applies. The lady here was being tried for attempt to murder, which is section 307. It is irrelevant here now because she stands acquitted. Depression is a modern day ailment and it affects more people than we presume or than we can fathom. Without getting into the platitudes of law here, suffice it to say that it is out there, alive and dangerous. I am scrolling below 2 helplines, one from Bombay, one from Calcutta, and these are helplines that can be used to save somebody's life. If you are feeling depressed at any point in time and you find yourself lonely, call these numbers. They are highly trained professionals. They will come to your aid. And remember, if there is a friend or a relative or anybody known to you that has committed an act of crime that you think was not a result of anger or rage but depression, then this video will help you. Remember section 84 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 that scrolls down now. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.